One of the most stressful things about being a landlord is dealing with repairs and maintenance. Landlords wonder, how can I find great vendors that are fair and honest and their licenses and insurance are up to date? Who gets a call when a pipe bursts at 2 a.m. and floods the house? How will you remember to service the HVAC and clean the gutters every year? What's the best order to get all the rehab work done between tenants? And how do I coordinate with all these different vendors? Well, Bell Properties tracks and coordinates all of your maintenance and repairs, so you don't have those headaches. Many property management companies own their own repair service divisions. We believe that's a conflict of interest. Should the one entrusted to write the work order not be the one who's actually doing the work and making a profit on it? Bell Properties hires independent contractors who are currently licensed and insured. Because of the volume of repairs that we do, over 600 rentals, plus our commercial properties, those independent contractors really want our business. So they do great work at a fair price. Anytime we order routine repairs, we call our owner clients, and if it's over their predetermined maintenance trigger, we're asking for their permission, and we're able to coordinate that repair in a way that the property owners are agreeable to. When there is a vacancy, we make a detailed list of all repairs that are tenant charges, and then we call you for approval of your portion and schedule all the work in the correct order as quickly as possible. When an after-hour emergency repair becomes needed, tenants call our bilingual 24/7 emergency hotline and get help right away. We'll update you later during normal business hours, and you'll receive automatic email right away when the service issue is created in our system. We will complete a detailed annual inspection and consult you with any needed repairs like HVAC cleaning, gutter cleaning, and we'll also send an email requesting your approval in our system, which stores all pertinent details of everything we do. All phone calls, texts, emails are stored in our system for at least 4 years. That way, if you have a question about last year's plumbing work, you can easily log on to your owner's portal, view the original vendor's invoice, and all the details in our system. It is always most cost-effective to be proactive where possible with maintenance. It helps us attract and keep the best quality tenants. We handle maintenance and repairs like a well-oiled machine, so that you never have to worry about it.